Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 58th video in this series. It means that we have already discussed 57 real exam highly repetitive questions, and along with that we have discussed the strategies how to solve your reading filling the blanks so that you guys can score and can attempt them correctly. First things first, now that PTE is accepted in the UK as well as Canada, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PTE academic. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. And in this video series, we discuss the same strategies, the same hacks which you guys can also use so that you can achieve your target score in your next attempt. And we post such informative videos on a regular basis, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Now PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks. It has 5 question types, the order for which is fixed, and reading filling the blanks is the second last question type in this, and it means that it will come after reorder paragraphs, and these are very important. Why these are important? Because they are of 15 marks. So if you are looking for 58, 65 or 79, you need to make sure that you are getting your reading filling the blanks correct. What does that 15 marks mean? It means that if you are getting 5 reading filling the blanks, they will be of 3 marks each. So that's why you have to put a lot of focus and emphasis on solving them. And what is our strategy? Because you cannot crack PT without knowing the right strategies. So our strategy is that you can solve them in 2 to 2.5 minutes. You shouldn't take more than 2 or 2.5 minutes. अब इस टाइम पीरियड में क्या आप सारे वर्ड्स पढ़ सकते हो, समझ सकते हो, मीनिंग समझ सकते हो, नहीं समझ सकते, and do not try also. What you need to do is you need to skim, you need to develop the art of skimming, and we teach our students both offline as well as online how to skim it. This is today's topic and this is today's reading filling the blank. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds and after that we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is skimming. We skim it to understand its gist, overall idea क्या है, tone, positive है, negative है, neutral है और academic tone है, and then we also see for its tenses, present tense use हो रहा है, past tense or future tense. So let's get started with the skimming first. All kind of predictions may be about to get even more difficult, dash to climate change. Though no one is sure that what will its effects will be, it seems that extreme weather conditions such storms and hurricanes are dashed to become more common. Such events have far-reaching effects on distant weather systems, making general forecasting much harder. Okay, so one thing I want to highlight over here is that hyphen. This is our English grammar rule. Whenever आपके one से ज़्यादा word, more than one words are acting as a single adjective for a noun, so they will be always combined with hyphen. जैसे far reaching दो separate words हैं, वो एक ही noun को modify कर रहे हैं कि बहुत दूर तक जाने वाले effects. So that's why it will be used with hyphen. Now the second thing we do is parts of speech classification of the options because we solve this on its basis only. So let's get started. Thanks क्या होता है? Thanks is your noun, right? अब like क्या है? Like can be used as preposition also as well as noun also. So it's multiple forms. Likely ly है तो students simply कह देते हैं sir ये adverb है, but more or less this is adjective, right? As preposition है, and conjunction है, the determiner है, right? और exactly अब ly वाले हैं तो क्या होगा ये, it's going to be adverb. Now students ask ये parts of speech classification हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? Then the answer is in our software we give a detailed parts of speech classification, and we have a grammar course where we put a lot of emphasis on these parts of speech classification. Now let's get started with the first blank. More difficult. Always remember what you have to do is 3-4 words पहले वाले पढ़ लिए blank के बाद, 3-4 words blank के बाद वाले पढ़ लिए. So get even more difficult dash to climate change. Climate change के कारण वो और difficult होने वाली है weather की predictions. अब यहाँ पे what you can do, अगर आपको नहीं समझ आ रहा कैसे fill up करना है, you can put one option one by one. This is what we say as process of elimination, and I say process of elimination is our best friend forever. But the answer is going to be thanks to climate change, because this is like a phrase जहाँ पे हम reason दे रहे हैं. It's like a way of saying thanks to climate change, मतलब because of climate change. Okay. Now, though no one is sure dash what its effects will be. अब कोई भी sure नहीं है कि क्या इसके effects होंगे, and if you understand this, यहाँ पे क्या fill up होने वाला है based on the context, it's going to be exactly कि किसी को नहीं पता कि exactly क्या effects होने वाले हैं, right? Because no one is sure. Moving on to the third blank, such dash storms and hurricanes. अब एक सिंपल सी बात है, such as ही होता है, right? This is like we are giving an example. Such as के through हम examples देते हैं. Storms or hurricanes are examples of that. Okay. Now R is your verb. Okay, verb के बाद generally हमारा क्या आता है? Another grammar rule, adverb आती है. तो यहाँ पे अब हमारी adverb कौन सी है? सिर्फ एक ही adverb है, and we are going to put it over here, right? Are likely to become more common. See, this is how we solve the blanks. Let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. So you see, if you know the right strategies, it will be very easy for you to solve reading blanks within 2 to 2.5 minutes. Now, what are our strategies? Our strategies are based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, skimming is important. You have seen the importance of skimming. Then forward reading, backward reading, tone analysis is important. For lexical resource, collocations, knowledge of collocations is very important. Phrasal verbs and vocab both are very important too. Now coming to the grammar, and we have a complete grammar course for our students, which will not only help in your reading, but it's going to help in your listening as well as writing also. And what we teach in our grammar course are parts of speech. You have seen how important they are. Then subject-verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules and sentences. So we teach all these things to our students, both offline as well as online. But remember, you have just 2 to 2.5 minutes to solve your reading filling the blanks. अब आपको हर सेकेंड अपना प्लान आउट करना होता है, because only then you can solve within the time frame. So in the first 30 to 60 seconds, what you need to do is you have to skim the content, you have to do the parts of speech classification within 1 minute, जैसे हमने की थी, and then in next 90 to 120 seconds, you can use process of elimination as well as our strategies and hacks to solve your reading blanks. All the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. So if they can, you can also. And these are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, you can take it. If you have any doubt or question regarding PT, you are more than welcome to ask us. But do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.